Dude, are you? Well,
let's line these up.
Look how excited Jared is over here. Look at the the first town. Here's. Oh, you killed it, dude. ESTK, what is that? Version 1.5.1, Mac OS X.
Right there.
Running on Windows.
And notice the different
icons here.
Defaults to your operating system.
Yeah, it knows you're on a Mac. It knows you're on the Windows. And last but not least, we have the Ubuntu server up here. It knows. It's got the Linux penguin. It knows what's up.
Sweet as that.
This is the first town. It's called Lauren, and Tyler's been designing it back there. What had always been something we got together on the weekends to do out of fun, out of enjoyment, out of genuinely wanting to make a product, became something that... What really kept me motivated to keep working on Elysian Shadows during some dark times was honestly the renewed sense of camaraderie from I don't know. I couldn't be more thrilled with Predom's art direction. It really takes elements from games that are the reason I got into game development to begin with. I mean, Chrono Trigger, Dragon Quest, Final Fantasy, and it modernizes it. It gives something new for the new consoles like the Dreamcast, newer platforms we're developing for. I don't know where the fuck I was going with that. It's kind of stealing your idea. Well, we're kind of towards the end of this toolkit release. We're just trying to make shit really pretty. And so James has kind of coined this. What color is that?
I think that's
this is our,
the one down here.
Color, yeah.
I think that's periwinkle purple.
So yeah, I'm trying to make everything match that. It's gonna be kind of like the ESE color for selection. We got to make that widget, the selections, and all these widgets match that too. And I was working on the selection widget, which it's blue right now, but that's red here, and I actually like completely screwed this.
Yeah, I was gonna ask you about that.
Oh, did you already see that? Did you already?
Yeah, I saw it earlier, and I just like,
don't worry about that.
I was gonna assume the best and be like, okay, this is cool, but
yeah, no, I was experimenting. It worked. Selection works. It just
Tyler, what are you bitching about?
So this is the most recent build of the toolkit that Falco sent me, and it's still artifacting.
It's the greatest build ever.
So he says. He added OpenGL support,
very good.
and look, I don't even know what to say. How am I supposed to get any work done with this?
Dude, it worked. Seriously, like on my Matt home and get off Facebook, but alright. Alright, hold up. So check it out. Tyler Ship. Facebook.
Well, no one saw that.
Yeah, for real.
Oh man, yours doesn't look very attractive either.
Cut. Alright, so Marcel's working on tile selection tiling, aka tile selection.
Call it tile region because there's too many tile names.
Where you can make one selection and make it cover the whole map. God damn it, you're starting the clip off when it already crashed.
So, legitimately, what the fuck's been going on?
Well, for starters, I've been looking at the camera. Jesus Christ.
Stopping this recording.
I got 99 problems. But turn the camera
all of them are you. Listen to me. Marcel.
All right, go ahead. Go ahead, record.
It is still fucking recording. So listen, Marcel.
All right.
Wait, I fucked up the entire frame.
Oh no, I know. I'm really good.
I started off my career at the university with tons of. I don't want to go that way out.
For starters, my name is Marcel Good. You see, I keep looking at the camera. Hey YouTube, hey YouTube, hey YouTube.
I told you. I will.
Don't look at the camera.
All right, James wanted me to implement his splash screen, so that's what I do every day.
Implements every day.
Yep. So come check it out real quick.
And we have a compiler.
No, I just have I have multiple. Whoops. Cancel. Multiple.
Okay, we're gonna have to retry this.
I'm gonna look in the right spot.
Oh, look. Jesus, I can't tell. Look at Marcel.
This is the spot. Look at the.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're on the way to the Epic Gamers Paradise. If you've never heard of it, it's off Highway 72 in Madison, Alabama. And they sell old school games. I hope you have a place like this where you live, because if you don't,
I feel bad for you.
Yeah.
I feel very bad for you.
That used to be my favorite video game growing up. Mario RPG.
It's not even the US. Oh, it's the UK.
No, yeah, it's the European version.
We got a
Damn.
Vector Man too.
Dude, that's what That's what
This is
Jared needs to buy.
I tell you about this game. The only way you can beat
X-Men.
the final boss is to reset your Sega Genesis. You could not beat this on some versions of the Sega Genesis. Because it's like, in order to like cure the virus, you have to like reset the system, and you're like, what? And you keep hitting A on like the controller. You have to reset your Genesis really, really quick, and you beat the main boss.
Jesus.
This game is hardcore.
Here's the games I care about. Ooh.
Now the Super Nintendo is where it's at, behind you.
Sega Saturn. Oh my god. Oh my god. I already own one, I'm not gonna lie, but I want another one. Oh god. Here's the gold mine. We got the N64, we got the Super Nintendo, we got the NES. Oh, that's a good game. That is a really good game.
I don't want to spend so much money right now on these Genesis games.
Is this a Genesis?
Yeah, they
got a Sega CD in the box, man.
Yeah, I sold out. Hey, sold it out. They do have. I was telling you the other day, World Not Enough, just for all the fans out there, for you guys to know, it came in both different colors for the cart. So this one's a little bit more harder to find. I think most of them produced in the blue cart, but they also have the cart like this. And there's a couple other carts that are like that, but most of them are with demo carts that came out for the 64, like Donkey Kong and Majora's Mask. So.
This is James's N64 education, everyone.
If anybody's got any games they want to trade too.
Oh yeah, you know our YouTube
looking.
channel.
Yeah, I'm always looking.
This isn't good.
Jesus, dude, how much money are you gonna spend there?
Well, it depends if I get the one in the box or not. I want to see the card for this one. This is
Castlevania
probably
Bloodlines, Genesis.
this
What
is
you
the
got?
box.
Two
This
Mega
is not-
Mans on the
the
PS1.
boxed one.
Mega Man 8, Mega
Now,
Man X4.
Some Sega Genesis
5.
games don't come in the full box, right? They have a card or just a regular.
It's a cardboard box like that. It's unfortunate, but like, I mean, that's how.
All right, we're back at Studio Parks.
We've got the goods assembled.
Out. So we got. Everyone go through what they got here. Real quick.
Jesus Christ. Well, we got the Bard's Tale for NES with the instruction manual. Got the Secret of Mana instruction manual. The instruction manual to the Super Game Boy. For those of you who don't know, that plays original Game Boy games in Super Nintendo. I got several Sega Game Gear instruction manuals. Actually, there's a few more. Oh yeah, bunch of Sonics. Yep. Oh, and I got Harvest Moon 64, which is
a good game.
Which is a gem.
Yep.
Next.
Warrior Land 3. That's
that
my buy
yours?
for the day, because I'm a bit broke.
This is a poor ass.
So we got two
I bought the two missing Mega Mans for my PlayStation collection. Castlevania
Expo
Bloodlines.
and 8. Dude, that
Box,
is epic.
book, original cart.
Not gonna lie.
Battletech and X-Men for my Sega Genesis.
See, I got 3 more games for the 64 collection. The gray cart for 007 Worlds Not Enough, Blues Brothers, and WrestleMania 2000. And then they had a box of instruction manuals over at Gamers Paradise. The 3 notables are Castlevania, Killer Instincts Gold, and Mortal Kombat Trilogy. So, yeah, and I've been I just got me a Genesis because I had one as a kid and we lost it in translation somewhere, so I had to go pick up the classics. You got Sonic and something.
Those are definitely the classics.
Book and box.
Next, he needs to get Sonic and Knuckles. Alright, it's Sunday, about noon. Beautiful fall day. Kendall's borrowing my car, and I don't have a ride. And, of course, Marcel's being a lazy ass and won't come pick me up. So I'm walking over to his apartment over there in the ghetto. And I'm sure we're about to find out that, as usual, he hasn't done a goddamn thing all week.
So basically, we're spending a greater part of today taking a look at Marcel's toolkit, UI-wise.
And we're making a list of everything that's really ugly, complete Reese.
And basically trying to find ways to de-reast it. Either grouping together functionality to make it more intuitive, or breaking things apart that don't really make sense to be together.
Here we have the toolkit, and we're looking at its UI. Then here we have other better toolkits that we hate because they're better than us, but not for long. No. So one of the things that we're bitching about right here is look how like small this stuff is.
This is all default view. As soon as you open the toolkit, this is exactly what you see. That's it.
Yeah, which is way the hell too small. And then you minimize this. It won't go less than 50%. Look at all this goddamn white space.
Wasted space.
And then you try to make it smaller and it disappears. Marcel! Come here. How hard is it to fix this?
What?
This wasted space?
What?
Like when you try to move that over, it just...
Look how like tiny that is, and look how much space it's wasting.
Oh. Oh shit! No, that shouldn't actually even happen. It's because I just changed these buttons here. These are actually in a dynamic layout that should go together when you resize it. If I just change the buttons, that should be fine.
Talking about these new like managed channel.
But are you? See, part of the problem is that in Qt it's got a static pixel size. So if you wanted to actually preserve screen ratio on a different size monitor, that would be a problem. We'd have to implement our own layout plugins.
I really hope no one from Nokia or Trolltech's watching and they're like, that's bullshit, it's not that hard to do.
We're in my messy ass house. I've moved my computer over here into the main room because there's a nice whiteboard over there. We're all taking a look at the toolkit right now. We've been going over designs for the last couple hours, taking some notes on how to adjust my UI. Apparently I'm going to be following some of Photoshop's well understood intuitive paradigms.
You know what I mean? Where you really only can.
And right now, I guess Falco is showing off some of his. See, I've been working on tile and terrain selection and modification. Falco's been working on entities. Tyler, what do you have to say for yourself?
Your shit's reasonable, we're fixing
it. So I've got the basic prototype down for the tile manager. The idea is we've got these two sheets right here next to each other, and we can drag and drop tiles from sheet to sheet.
By the way, it's actually the sheet manager because it manages both tiles and objects.
Yeah, but I mean, if you...
This is a tile sheet, this is an object sheet, so we can dynamically populate sheets.
And the idea is this thing's going to be a file browser, so I'm going to have the same drag and drop functionality where you can drag and drop tiles from whatever's on your desktop. Or, here, this is the coolest part. It's actually implementing the MIME data type so that other applications understand the drag and drop events. I could drag things in from Paint or something like that if I felt so inclined.
Well, let me guess, you can replace this first tile, right?
Yep.
God damn it.
I'll work on that.
In the Elysian Shadows engine, the first tile always has to be transparent because it's rendered everywhere that blank tiles are. So, might want to do that. So, like, on a scale of years, how long is it going to take till this is done?
0.0073? I don't know.
You're the witness. You're the witness.
Alright, it's documented. 0.0073. Already.
Let us hear it.
We, already... We're running out of tile space. I mean, we're trying to build a village, and I fucking opened WinApp. That was great. I was like, Lauren. Let me tell you about Lauren. I've had quite a few late nights with Lauren.
Each one had its own little quirk or issue or load time or layout fuck-upness. Well, what we did on the weekend for fun really just became a job. I mean, if I had to push people to get things done, and then it was just another job. That's fucking gay, and I just fucked that up again.
Are you looking at the camera or are you looking at TV?
Actually, I'm not gonna lie, I'm watching TV.
Okay, they're gonna probably think you're looking at the camera.
Okay. Well, previously the engine and toolkit represented tiles like basically every other standard tile. Man, fuck, don't know what the fuck I'm saying. Alright. Begin anew. Well, if I were to draw an analogy with the dev team and some video games, then I would have to say, if I were Mario, Tyler would be Luigi. He's my brother, my partner in crime. We plumb toilets together. Marcel would be Wario. He's large, he's abrasive, he just likes to blow shit up. So what do I think of Tyler's work? I mean, to be honest, I think it's complete shit. I don't think he brings anything to the table that wasn't already there, other than like fucking flopping down a piece of moldy meat. Like, that's shit.
Oh, I see Falco's clearly drinking scotch over there. Well, are those rocks in there?
You know, he
damn.
Whiskey rocks.
Hold on, I screwed up the zoom button. What have I done?
Walking
Walking Dead. Oh, is it on tonight? Damn.